everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to show you how to apply for WES Canada in 2025. So this process is very easy process, but it is very important process when you have to apply for your immigration towards Canada, or you have to apply to some of the Canadian universities for your higher studies. So let's start the button, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Canadian immigration and study tips. So let's start. I'm going to start from scratch. Let's go on the Google, put it WES login. We have to create an account, so I'm going it here to create an account. So this is the main home page of the WES. So as we have to apply for Canada, so I'm going to click it here for Canada, and I have to apply for IRCC, so I'm going to click on the second option which says ECA application for IRCC. So start the application. Now I can put one of the randomly the email ID that I'm going to use for this purpose to show you. It says this account already have the account. So let's try with some other email ID that I have on my system. So I can put this. Okay, so now there is a verification code came, which I'm going to put on it. It is RQE. So now I'm going to submit it and verification is being done. Now I can start with the process for you. So once you log in and verify your email ID, it will show like this. Okay. Now I am going to just put the name, put the details as per your passport. Don't forget that you have to put as it shows on your passport. If your passport shows your full name as Babban Kaur or whatsoever in one name as a given name, put it there and click it that you don't have the last name. Put your date. Very easy process. So here I am going to create the password. You have to select one of the security question, that so that in case you forget it, you can retrieve your account. So here I have created the account. So it's being done now. So now I have to click your gender. You have to put your phone number with your country code. These are some of the mandatory requirements you have to. It's just like 15 minutes process hardly. Now you just have to add your credentials here. So my country of education is India. You have to put it according to yours. Type of education is university education. So which of these applies? I have to get my bachelor's, master's, doctorate. Get your highest degree evaluated. So I'm going to put it master's. In the name of the institution, you have to put the name of your university which have given you the degree, not the name of your college. So I am going to put it here, Punjab University. Put University of Delhi, PTU, from wherever you got it done. So I can put it here. What's my education? It says Masters of Commerce. I can put that. My first name as it shows on my passport, because immigration goes by the details of your passport. So year awarded is 2010. So it's for 2 years. So it started in 2008 and completed in 2010. Save it. Now next we can add, if we have to get more than 1 degrees evaluated, we can add that, or otherwise go to the next. Now it will ask for your mailing address where you have want your documents to come. It can be any country. So I have just randomly put the address. So delivery method, you can choose Canada Post or next day, whichever you want. I always prefer to choose next day because it's hardly a matter of $10. And the second copy, it will go automatically to IRCC. So next. So it's going to cost me $256 plus additional courier charges as well as the tax part. So now these are the details you can verify. Masters of Commerce, I'm going to get it evaluated, which I did from Punjab University, India. And these are the checklist of the documents that is required. We can have to send them to get it evaluated. The first is your degree, whether it's the financial or the provisional. If you haven't received the financial degree as of now, you can even submit your provisional degree as well. And statement of marks, so it should be incomplete. Like if you have done semester wise education, you have to send the mark sheet of all the semesters, and in the last you get the combined mark sheet of these semesters, right? Or if you have did the yearly degree, then it would be 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, whatsoever, how many mark sheets you have to submit that. And now after that we have to contact our universities to get this done. But now even they have added one more extra feature, that they have authorized third parties. These are the two third parties which you can use it for get your degree assessed. So what they are going to do, that they are going to contact your university on your behalf. They are going to take consent that yes, they can assess your documents, and they are going to contact on your behalf and get your documents from your university and send it to the WES. So they are going to charge very minimum amount, that's $45 to $50, anywhere around about that. So if you want to use that you can also do. And they work very fast, to be very honest. Like in 2 to 3 days I have seen that they normally send your documents to the WES. So you can use these two options as well if you want to get it done. And now it should go to the next. And now this is again the page where you can review your application before submitting it. So it shows your name, email ID, gender, date of birth, what's the primary purpose, it's immigration, your education, from where you got it done, your year awarded. And it's going to cost me 256 plus, as I have told you, that it's going to cost you 256 plus the courier charges as well as the tax part as well. So it's going to cost you anywhere around about $300, near to that. So it's click and it shows me next. See, verify your date of birth that you have mentioned it correctly, because once it's being submitted you can't get it corrected. See, now it's going to cost me $320. You can pay it via credit card or the debit card and just submit it. So this is the way. See, the processing time is 35 business days, and they are always on their processing time. Even if you use the third party, it would be expedited even more. And this is the total fee that you are going to pay, that is $256 that I have shown you. So it will further include the tax part as well as the courier. So this is the way you have to apply. If you still have any questions or queries, please feel free to call our office at 905-606-0363. Our team of Eiffel Immigration is going to help you to apply for WES, but I don't feel that after seeing this video you need the help. It's very simple process. So all the best for your future. Thank you.